Hey everyone, Mark here. And in this video, we're going to show you how to connect Braze to Beefree. Braze is a customer engagement platform used by marketers to create personalized and relevant digital experiences for consumers. It offers features like personalized messaging, customer segmentation, and email marketing, so you can create highly targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. With our Braze connector, you can effortlessly send your emails created in Beefree directly to Braze in just a few clicks. This enables you to concentrate on the creative work in Beefree, making it easy to deliver on-brand content, maintain output quality, and streamline approval workflows, among other advantages. Here's how to connect Braze to Beefree. In the right corner of the builder, click the Exit button. Then, in the Details page, select Export. In the pop-up menu, click Push to your sending system, and then select Braze. To connect your Braze account to Beefree, you'll need to add an account name, API key, and Workspace URL. The account name is a unique label for your Braze account. You can choose to use your existing Braze account name or create your own. The API key plays a crucial role in establishing a secure and authorized connection between Beefree and Braze. It acts as a kind of digital handshake that allows these two software systems to communicate and exchange data effectively. You can find it from the Braze dashboard by heading to Settings, API Keys. We can find our API key here. It's important to note that if our API key does not have the correct permissions enabled, an error will occur upon trying to connect. To ensure this doesn't happen, select the gear icon and then click View. This is where we can check if template permissions are all turned on. And finally, it's essential to include the Workspace URL, which is the web address specifying your unique Braze workspace. The URL points to the specific workspace to which your email will be exported. You can find this URL in the address bar when logged into your Braze account. Now that we have all the information we need, click Connect. Wonderful. We're successfully connected. We can now hit Create to export our email to Braze. Upon clicking this link, we'll be redirected to the Braze homepage where we can access our email. Inside Braze, we can navigate to our email by selecting Template, Email Templates, and then the HTML editor. If we scroll down, we can quickly find our email under Saved HTML Templates. If we click it, we can see that our sending info has transferred over, including the subject and pre-header. From here, we can preview our email, tweak the sending info, and even edit the HTML by selecting Edit Email Body. It's important to mention that at this time, we can't make edits to our email using Braze's native drag-and-drop editor. However, we're actively working on a solution to make this possible. If you need to make changes to your email, that's no problem. You can make any edits in Beefree and then simply follow the same export steps as before. This time making sure to select Update Existing to automatically update the existing email draft within Braze. So there you have it. Design your emails in Beefree and automate, personalize, and send them in Braze in a matter of seconds. All thanks to the Braze connector. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe to the Beefree YouTube channel for all your news, updates, and tutorials.